everybody and welcome back. We're going to continue on with the series of me trying to become a YouTube pretty person. So I've ordered in some sheet masks and skincare. We have one from Chemist Warehouse and this one from Posty, and it's very easy to spend a lot, I guess, when things are only 50 cents to a couple of dollars, and it's free shipping and you have coupon codes and you're in lockdown and it's late at night and you're in bed trying not to wake up your husband. So let's get into an unboxing and then we'll come back. This is what I got from the Chemist Warehouse. It is a bubbling charcoal sheet mask for cleansing, toning and purifying. This is what I ordered from Posty, just a whole bunch of sheet masks, under eye gel masks, face wipes and moisturizers. One vitamin C collagen face mask to energize dull and fatigued skin. 3 ginger and turmeric superfood sheet masks. 3 brightening vitamin C sheet masks to target dull and dry skin, hydrate and renew. 3 cucumber essence sheet masks to improve complexion, combat wrinkles and retain moisture. 3 detoxifying bubble sheet masks with activated charcoal. 2 cherry essence sheet masks to fight aging and encourage healthy skin cell production. 3 green tea essence sheet masks to eliminate toxins and help with redness and inflammation. 4 boxes of 6 under eye gel patches enriched with collagen to reduce puffiness. 2 boxes of 6 nose pore strips with activated charcoal, not super good for your skin but satisfying all the same. 1 packet of pure sensitive complete cleansing wipes. 1 day cream with argan oil, the ultimate dry skin savior. Tried to get the night cream but they were sold out. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. Some of this is going to go into my skincare fridge, and I want to say again that I have no clue or no idea about anything when it comes to skincare. I didn't moisturize regularly. I didn't know what serums were, all of those things, so I'm learning. I'm very much a newbie, and the only thing I did regularly was use a exfoliating acne fighting thing in the shower. And so we're going to learn and make mistakes together. So that's everything, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!